Hey, happy Tuesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this is only one screenshot for this release, and yet I think it is going to be a ginormous hit. This is something that has been asked for a long time, and I love that the team got this out. So update a contact field is now out inside workflows. That's right. So you can go in and you can update contact fields. You can now append values to multi-select fields. So you can update contact field action includes the new add action type for multi-select fields. You can add selections, values to multiple multi-dropdowns and multiple checkbox fields without replacing values already stored in the contact. So the idea here is if I have a multi-select field or multi-value field, I can add to it instead of just replace. I know this has been in the works for a while and something a lot of you have asked for. Basically, you literally just choose add to append the selected values to the contact's existing selections. When add is selected, the field picker only shows multi-dropdown and multiple checkbox fields, and then you can go in and you can actually add to it instead of replace. And why do we build it? Well, previously updating the multi-select field replaced all existing selections, which could unintentionally remove saved values, which is bad. The new add operation makes it easier to build on existing contact data without overwriting it, right? So now what's an example of when this would be used? So let's say a contact selects email marketing on a form, which is saved in a multiple checkbox field called services that I'm interested in, right? Later in the workflow, the update contact can now add SMS marketing to that same field while keeping the email marketing. So before it would replace the email marketing with SMS, and you're like, wait, hold on, they want both, right? Now it will actually append, and that will make life a lot easier. So that is a great example of when you'd want to use this. So anyways, I'm excited about this. I know a lot of you will be as well. So on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.